Morning friends, it's a pretty cold morning. It's 3 degrees C, which is pretty good because not long ago it was only 1 degree C. I've been driving for about 90 minutes now. Got a forest job today. We've got to get a new culvert in, pipe under the road, and there's some rocks in the way, they tell me. I haven't seen the job, but done plenty like it before. Oh, a bit slippery. Yeah, in the forest, this is a logging road, but no longer used for logging, of course, because there's no more forest logging in Victoria. This is all regrowth area. It's been logged, looking at it, maybe 8 to 10 years ago, and it does grow back, and some old trees get left. Yeah, so plenty of work on the radar. I spent a lot of time.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Excellent. I spent plenty of time sitting home during March and April when we had good weather, looking out the window, and not many jobs. And now it's started raining. There's plenty of work on the radar. Here we go. This looks promising. All right, I think we're here.
You have arrived.
7 Acre Rock, and that's an interesting place. All right, I'll jump out and say g'day to the guys. Cheers. All right, bit muddy on the way in. Well, I've got some pretty big trees here. Those trees have got to be more than 60 metres high, maybe 70 metres high. That's quite big. Alright, let's have a look at the job over here and see what we got. Okay, this bit of nasty big rock is in the way because under there's a broken pipe which has got to be replaced, and it's going to be extended out this way to take the kink out of the road as part of the improvement process, and this rock has got to go. I can see that it's been blasted historically. There's a bit of a shatter mark in there, and there's another drill hole up there, so she's been blasted before. So first thing I'll do is I'll clean it off and have a really good look for drill holes that might be misfires. Got to be really careful with that. That might sound silly, but it's happened a few times. Well, cleaned all the slop off. Not really sure what this rock is. It's not granite, although there's a lot of granite around, like just next to it there. Might be hornfelds, like a hornfelds dike or intrusion that's often found along with granite. Well, I'll drill some holes in it and we'll see what happens. One last look at this rock. Hasta la vista, baby. Well, that was a long run. Okay, 8-hole shot coming up. Well, I fixed that right up. That did the job real nice, and the limit of the throw is just down there, not even 10 metres. So I'm going to call that a success. A 5-ton excavator will dig that out easily. We fixed that right up. Don't you worry about that. Alright, I think my work here is just about done. Got plenty of depth there now to get the new pipe in. So I'm going to go home now and get ready for tomorrow's job. Thanks for watching. Hey, guess what? A couple of days have gone past and I'm back. Because when they went to dig across the road, they found some more rock. Who would have guessed? And they were even very brave laying some pipes up to there. I don't think I would have done that. But we'll see how we go. Alright, 12 holes in here, and it's a live one, so hold on tight. Okay, here we go, 12 hole deck cord shot. in the forest. It's going to be a loud one. Hold tight. Well, that was pretty drastic. It's fairly conclusively broken. Don't think we'll have too much trouble digging that out, Joe.
Sorry?
Don't think we'll have too much trouble digging that out.
No. That'd be good.
Oh, good. And that's how it goes, friends. All the pipes are in. And these guys have got it sorted. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe. And there's more videos coming soon.